What's up, people, and welcome to this video again. So now, you might be thinking, hey BluePanda, why in the world is your Mobile Legends screen looking like this? Why in the world is it so small, okay? Is it because you're supposed to fit your camera skin a lot better without covering the mobile? No. This is legit a thing you can do with Mobile Legends to go and make it look smaller, okay? Yes, you heard me right. You can go and make it look a lot freaking smaller like this, and you can actually go and play it like this. But there's a very cool thing which will go and happen if you play it like this, okay? And I will go and explain very soon. I will explain how you can do this and later on. But before we do that, I'm just gonna jump into a custom game, okay? Because trust me, you wanna see this. Whoops, now we did something, but it's fine. Look at that. You're just gonna go and pick a random hero like that. Bam. And as you can see something, everything is still very, very small. And this trick has actually been existing in Mobile Legends since the very start, okay? I just recently found out about it on a forum post, so that's kind of fun. Look at that. Going against Bane. Okay, something will be happening very soon. Wait, look at the screen, look at the screen. Something will be happening. Wait for it, wait for it. Any second, bam! Did you see it? Did you see it? It expanded, but wait, there's more! Look at that! Do you see what I see? I'm pretty sure what you see. Look at this. Look at this. This is the most stupid thing I have ever seen. And it works perfectly, okay? I will explain later on how you can actually go and do this, okay? But first, I myself want to go and try out. Why the crap? You can see so far with this, okay? Look at that. Look at this, look at this. You can even see outside of the map. Look at that, look at this. Here you can see the layer which they have put. Okay, it's very hard to control that, but as you can see right here, you can see the thing which they have put, like, added around the map, so it's supposed to look like mountains around the map. Doesn't really work when you can see the top and bottom, does it? Well, okay. It's so hard to, like, try to control your heroes because you have to have your fingers in the middle when usually you have them on the side, you know? Oh, this is very annoying. Why did I even start with that ability? Well, whatever. This is so weird. And the shop will be in the mid. Oh, look at this. Oh. It was very hard to actually go and switch. Okay, I'm gonna go and try to kill Bane. We will see how that goes. Come on, faster! Okay, there we go. Okay, running the wrong direction. It's very hard to look around, but the thing is, you don't really need to do that because you see everything! This is so stupid. Look, I can still see mid lane over there. I will have a perfect aim right here to Bane. Bam! Look at that. And you're dead. The only thing is, it's very hard to control because you want to click. If you take a look here, I want to click here, but I have to click all the way here in the middle. It gets really confusing, okay? Really confusing. Oh, crap, it's... Okay, so there we have the crap. The thing is, you might think... but oh, now you can see, like, the enemies here in the jungle and stuff like that. The thing is, you can't, okay? You can only see enemies and, like, minions and stuff like that, which are visible. As you can see, the minions here in the mid lane, right there, they're visible because I have other minions right there, okay? But I can't see the jungle monsters which are here because I have no vision of them, okay? The thing is, you will be able to see so much further. It is just insane. Look at that, we can see, let's see, I can walk, if I walk like here, I should be able to see Bane any second right now. There we have it. And I'm basically still in my jungle here, okay, which is pretty sick actually. He's a very easy target, I might say. Oh, but it's hard to aim this! Get over here! You filthy animal! Oh, he's dead. Whoop! I love that he started recalling as well. Okay, so let's go and run over to top lane and see how it looks there. It will probably look very weird. Look at that. And some abilities on some heroes, you can't see the end of it. Let's see, can we see? Yeah, we can basically see the end of this. Same goes with this one, but like Layla's ultimate, you can't see the full extent of her ultimate, but with this you probably can. Whoop! Look at that. Oh, it's hard to work though, it's very hard to work. I can't even speak. Walk? Walk! I'm trying to say walk! There we go. Okay, so this is how it looks top lane. You can basically look at that. You can see I can still see the enemy tower, and I'm in my own bush. Look at this. Look at this. I can see. This looks so stupid. The left thing right here. Like what the? What the? I wish we could go and see something, some hidden thing, like an Easter egg or something like that. Like use some random thing sitting outside here. But as we can see, there's nothing here. A bit of a disappointment actually. Let's walk over here. Let's see. Is there something hidden here? Please, I want to see like a hidden monkey, okay? Something. Ah, no hidden monkeys there. Bam, wham. Oh, it's kind of fun. But yeah, the thing, guys, if this video gets like, let's say 3,000 likes, I will go ahead and make an actual gameplay when I'm playing a real game like this, which will be really stupid, okay? Because it's extremely hard to control, but I mean, I will be able to see everything. So it will be kind of funny. And you might think, is this a hack? The thing is, it's not a hack, okay? I will show you in a second right now how I can do this, okay? It's not a hack. I think basically everyone can do this. Every single phone which has the ability to have like multi-windows, multitask, can go ahead and do this. If you can do that, you can do this, okay? If you I'm not sure if all the iPhones can do that, but I'm pretty sure a lot of iPhones can do it. Well, maybe a few, I'm not sure. I don't have an iPhone, so I don't really know how they work, but I think they added in the multi-windows to that as well. We will gonna see though. If you have a Samsung, 100% sure that it will work. If you have a Samsung Galaxy S8, I'm 100% sure it will work, because that's basically what I'm using right now. So if you have that, this will definitely work, okay? Is this a cheat? Is this a hack? It is not. Is it a cheat though? I'm not sure if, does it count? Are you cheating if you're doing this? Like you haven't really, I'm not sure how to explain this. I mean, in some ways I can guess this is a cheat because you can see so far, but it's very hard to play like this. Can't really move around the screen so much. But I would say maybe this is a bit of a cheat, because you aren't able to see this far, you know. But yet you're doing it somehow, okay? But you haven't downloaded any cheat. You can do this from your phone directly, okay? So look at this. I'm gonna walk into the enemy base and let's gonna take a look at how it looks in the enemy base, and then I'm gonna show you how you can go and do this. Oh, look at that. He's even walking there. Stop it! He has no idea where that attack came from. Look at that. So we're in the enemy. Look at this. This looks so stupid. Whoop. We can see every single tower. Oh gosh. It's so hard to control this though. Let's see if we can squeeze through right here. Run! Oh my god. Okay, we have to kill this minion. Good. Look at that. So here we have the enemy base. Nothing hidden here as well. A bit of disappointed. I wish there was like a fish or something in that water right there. Mobile Legends, add in Easter eggs. There's nothing here. Look at that. Okay. Whoop. Whoop. And now, oh shit! Now you can see the red bar right there. Let's actually go and bam. Now you can see it. Now you can see the range which you're supposed to see, and then you can also see the range which you're not supposed to see outside of the red bar right there. So let's see if we can see over the wall here. Doesn't seem to work. There we go. Okay, nothing here as well. Either way, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can gonna do it. Let's just gonna die. I'm gonna show you how it looks when you're dead. So this is how it looks when you're dead. You can see that they added like the black screen, you know, but it only works on like, well, 80% of the screen. Then we have 10% at the bottom, 10%, 5% at the top, which are not covered. But I'm gonna be showing you how you can gonna do it right now. First of all, let's gonna try to end this. It's gonna leave match. Look at this, and this will also look very stupid. As you can see, we can see so much, and the victory screen will be extremely tiny. Look at that. Thank you. There we go, and then it's back to extremely small. Okay, but I'm gonna show you how you can actually gonna do this. So I will add a video right here how it is done. It is actually extremely simple. Basically what you do, you can go into any app whatsoever, and then what you do, you open your multi-window, your multitask, whatever you call it, and then you open Mobile Legends in that. And as you can see right now, Mobile Legends is opening down there, while up here I still have the freaking calculator, and I can still gonna use the calculator, which is really stupid. And as you can see right down here, it's still opening Mobile Legends. And the crazy thing is, you can play Mobile Legends like this as well, okay? You can play it open as a second window, which is just really stupid, okay? So let's just see when it has loaded. But it's finished. This is basically all you do, okay? And as you can see right now, I'm in Mobile Legends down here. Ooh, down there. I can still use the calculator up there. I can play Mobile Legends like this. Look at that. I can click, I can do everything, which is just extremely stupid, okay? And this is basically all you have to do. And as you can see, I can use the calculator. And then basically, to make it the right way, in the right size, all you do is you take the window at the bottom and you increase it, and then it will flip, and then you will have, well, this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope I'll see you next video, but as always, thank you for watching. Do you want to get diamonds in Mobile Legends without paying anything? Well, perfect, I have an option for you. Down in the description I have an app which will do just that, give you free diamonds, and there is also a full tutorial how this app works and how it will gonna get you free diamonds. And if you don't have a mobile grip just yet, there's a link down in the description where you can go and buy a mobile grip and get 10% off, okay? Remember to use the code BluePanda or click the link. And this will also go and help out the channel a bit, so thank you for supporting the channel.